Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a very simple and easy palak dal, spinach dal, which is very healthy for your health. It is simple to make and has minimum ingredients. You need one kadai with some oil. This is dal, which is cooked in cooker, and this is palak, and this is garlic. With that you need little bit of jeera. You need tomato paste. You need ginger powder if you have. You need some salt, and that's it. We are ready to go. Okay friends, now we are going to start cooking. Now in this kadai, on very low flame, have some oil. This is mustard seeds, which I forgot. You can start with mustard seeds. Increase the flame if the oil is less hot. Now we have put in mustard seeds, it will start to crackle. Once it starts crackling, reduce the flame. Now put in a little bit of cumin seeds, that is jeera. Jeera and palak has the best combination with garlic. So these three ingredients you should always remember to put. Now the next important ingredient, your garlic. Finely chopped, not even fine, but diced evenly, and let it go in. So this palak curry we are going to make without any coconut. Some of them add coconut. Next important ingredient, tomato paste. This is Heinz tomato paste, which is very useful for cooking. Quickly mix them. Then you add your palak. Add everything. Now once palak is added, give them a nice stir. Friends, if the flame is too high, just reduce it because palak doesn't need much of heat. So now you see the palak, which you had put in, is almost half in size. Mix it. Remember to mix it well with the tomato and garlic, because that's going to give the flavor. After nicely mixing, add a little bit of ginger powder if you have. It gives a very good taste. If required, add a bit of salt at this stage and add the dal. Now we have added the cooked Toor dal, which we cooked in the cooker. Now you see, just you have to keep on stirring it a little bit. Don't stir too much because palak might give off a taste. Keep it on low flame and allow it to come to a small boil. Check the salt at this stage. If you want, add more salt. I am adding little bit more salt because it might evaporate when we cook it. Now let it remain like this for at least 2 minutes. It is almost done. It's very healthy because it has all the greens and your favorite dal. I'm using a silicone spoon here so that heat doesn't travel to my hands. Just stir it, check the taste. So friends, I've added a little bit more water just to make the consistency a little bit more watery. If you like it thick, you can keep it thick. So the flavor of tomato, jeera, garlic and palak is the best combination on earth. So do try this recipe and send us your feedback. So friends, our easy palak dal recipe is ready. You can see it's very good. The texture is great. It has all the greens and also your favorite dal. It can be had with chapati or rice. It is an easy bachelors recipe. You don't need much of effort to do this. So this will be very tasty, and do try and send us your feedback. Thank you.